Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, if you be following my videos, you will know I'm an affiliate marketing coach. Yes, I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and in this video I'll be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I made the percentage which belong to you from the total price which you sold the product. Yes, so there are many things to consider for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, and I will just go straight to the point to save time in this video. Yes, so for you to have I say or commission from any of the affiliate marketing platform, your traffic system is very important. Traffic system, I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate product or affiliate platform for them to purchase your affiliate product for you to get your own commission. So you need to know your audience, people that need your product, and how you can access them. And with that, there's two major ways by which you can promote your product in affiliate marketing. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system involves a method by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You pay them to create adverts for your product. For instance, sometimes when you are browsing on Facebook or Instagram, even YouTube, adverts pop up that say click this, check this out. Those are paid traffic system. While free traffic system are the use of other means which are not paid traffic system. For instance, now let me show you in this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I am also a software developer, and I've developed this software which I have been using over the years now, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, with my software you are going to be having access to daily sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, targeted traffic, which are going to be accessing your affiliate product and link, and there's high guarantee of them purchasing your product if you follow the step which I've recorded in my video guide. Yes, so to access my software and video course, to start earning money even as a beginner. Yes, because with my software and video course you don't need to have experience with ClickBank or with any affiliate marketing platform or how to use the software at all. Yes, because in my video course I've recorded the complete step-by-step guide that will take you from the beginning, even from creating your ClickBank account or from using any of your affiliate marketing platform to you earning with the software. Yes, so to get my software and video course and start earning big today on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so once again I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.